All right. So let's just say that in TechSmith SnagIt, we needed to capture perhaps this dialog here, and I needed to mask out the word raccoon. Maybe I needed to maybe hide that or obscure it because for whatever reason it was sensitive information. So what I'm going to do is to use my SnagIt hotkey and capture the image. And there's my image. So step number one, I'm going to use a shape, and I'm going to grab this one here. Now it doesn't look real dramatic because it's white on white. But let me use that to cover up the text that I want to mask out. Cool, I've got the text covered up. Now that's pretty straightforward and it's easy to do. However, if you have hundreds and hundreds or even maybe dozens of screen captures to accomplish, then you don't really want this to be the way it works because that's going to be rather tedious. And as we see, I'm going to cut this from my clipboard, or cut it and put it on my clipboard. And then when I paste, it doesn't paste where I left it. That's the big issue here. So here's how I'm going to fix this. I'm going to position the shape where I want to properly mask things out. Then I'm going to introduce a second shape. Now on that second shape, I'm going to change its fill color. Perhaps I'll make it black. I'm going to make that shape fill the screen. Of course, I probably want to do a file save as and save this as a different image. But now that I've totally masked everything out, I want to right click and choose order and send it backward. Now notice that this is leaving me with the identical size of what I need, and I've got the proper mask position here. So the first thing I want to do is to right click this guy and I want to flatten. Okay, now that leaves this guy as a shape all of his own. And lastly, I want to make sure on my image tab that my canvas color is set to transparent, and it is. That's good, because what I want to do next is go to my Tools tab and I want to choose the paint bucket because I want to flood fill with transparent. That leaves behind a transparent background that's sized identical to the image that I'm capturing with the shape in place. So let me just copy that. And I'm now going to close and delete that image. And here's the deal. Now when I go to Notepad and I capture, notice I can just paste. And watch what happens. Keep your eye trained right here where it says raccoon. And notice that the image pastes in. And because the image was the identical size of the capture and the area I wanted to mask out was there. Now I could notice that this image here is 878 by 550. I could say File, New Image, and then 878 by 550. There we go. So basically what you do is you create an image that has a transparent background. And again, you can do a file save as and then save everything out to accomplish that. But hopefully that will get things sorted and allow for that rapid pasting in to mask out the specific area. Thank you for watching.